This video is going to be about the introduction to philosophy, a general outline of Indian and Western philosophy, and there will be many parts of this series. Philosophy is the root of all knowledge. It is considered as mother of all sciences. Philosophy has interpreted man and his various activities in a comprehensive manner. It helps to coordinate the various activities of the individuals and the society. It helps us to understand the significance of all human experience. It explores the basic source and aims of life. It asks and tries to answer the deepest questions to life. It clarifies life and the basic values of life. This clarity is very essential because it provides us with the wisdom to face the challenges of life. Wisdom is the supreme instrument in the hands of man in the struggle for his successful existence. Meaning of philosophy. The word philosophy involves two Greek words. Philo meaning love and sophia meaning knowledge. Thus, literally speaking, philosophy means love of wisdom. Man is a rational animal. Desire for knowledge arises from this rational nature of man. Philosophy is an attempt to satisfy this very reasonable desire. Philosophy signifies a natural and necessary urge in human beings to know themselves and world in which they live, move and have their being. It is impossible for man to live without a philosophy. The choice is not between metaphysic and no metaphysic. It is between a good metaphysic and a bad metaphysic. The origin of philosophy. According to Aristotle, philosophy arises from wonder. Man experiences rains and droughts, storms, clouds, lightning. At times he is greatly terrified. Then the events of life and death mystify him. He begins to reflect over the events. The sun, moon, and the stars appear to him wonderful and beautiful. As a result of his reflection, he thinks that the events can be explained by powers akin to man. He proposes to control them by means of magical spells. This magic gives way to science, philosophy, and religion in due course. Magic becomes science when natural events begin to be explained and controlled with the help of natural causes. Magic again becomes religion when the powers are taken to be supernatural beings. The same magic flowers into philosophy when man makes an attempt to explain the world as a whole. The subject matter of philosophy. Philosophy is the rational attempt to have a worldview. It endeavors to reach a conception of the entire universe with all its elements and aspects and their interrelations to one another. It is not contented with a partial view of the world. It seeks to have a synoptic view of the whole reality. It tries to have a vision of the whole. The different sciences deal with different departments of the world. Mathematical sciences deal with numbers and figures. Physics deals with heat, light, motion, sound, electricity, and magnetism. Chemistry deals with chemical phenomena. Psychology deals with the phenomena of mental life. Sociology deals with the structure and growth of the society and its institutions. Economics deals with welfare and wealth of man. Politics deals with the structure and functions of the state and its various organs. Thus, sciences give us a sectional view of the world, but philosophy harmonizes the highest conclusion of the different sciences, coordinates them with one another, and gives a rational conception of the whole world. It investigates the nature of the fundamental concepts of matter, time, space, life, mind, and the like, and interrelates them to one another. It inquires into the nature of the universe, its stuff or material, its creator or God, its purpose, and its relation to man and his soul. It is the art of thinking all things logically, systematically, and persistently. It is the art of thinking rationally and systematically of the reality as a whole. Philosophical problems. The basic problems of philosophy have been same in the East as in West. A general characteristic of these problems was that they were concerned with general and universal questions and not with the questions of particular nature. In this sense, the philosophical problems are different from scientific problems which have their origin in particular questions. Some examples of philosophical problems are: what is knowledge? What is world? Who has created this world? Is there a God? Who am I? What is the aim of my life? Why should I live? What is the purpose of the world? Etc.